Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. I'm going to try to do this in one take. So this is my new case in tempered glass for the Mi 8. Now this case right here, you're probably thinking, Jay, that looks exactly the same. And you would actually be right. On the pictures that I saw the bumper and corner protection, and that's kind of what I was going for. But once I saw it, I was like, well, this is kind of pretty much the same case I just had for free. But the difference is it's got bumper and corner protection. So when you put it on, you got a little bit of drop protection on the corners. So this isn't going to protect much, but you know, I didn't pay a lot for it, so I'm not tripping on it too bad. I really wish I would have paid better attention, but you know, it's cool. It feels a little different than the other case. It's got like these ridges on the sides and stuff like that. So it feels actually a little bit thinner than the other case too, which is strange. The free cases that are coming inside of phones now are pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the tempered glass though, because there has been no protection on here. And this will be super easy because it's one of the ones that has the black borders. At least I ordered the right thing for this. And this is what this looks like. So it'll go on like this right here. And this is gonna be one of those ones where it does not cover the entire screen. Like it doesn't adhere to the entire screen, I believe. Which is fine, man. You know, this phone was $350 or $365 or something like that. Just having something on it. I didn't want to go with the traditional. Yeah, these are just one of those ones where it's just the sides covering. So this is a flat screen, so hopefully it'll work for me. But I wanted something on this screen, man. I really did. So I powered the phone off. But I mean, it looks good. It's got that little rainbow effect on there. It's powered on. It's got that little rainbow effect. I mean, honestly, when I got this out of the box, I was like, dang, I wasted some money. But this didn't cost that much. I got this from GearBest. Like, I think I paid like $6 for both of these, or $4 for both of these. I don't even know, but it does have that little rainbow effect. But still, it's there. And I have some protection on here. So all the cutouts and ports and everything are on the top up there. They get that good angle for you. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting a bunch of messages. So everything is good, man. It looks good. I don't like that little rainbow effect, but I wanted to get something that was directly a fit for the phone. And this case is a little thinner. You can see all the ports and everything line up just right. It's just got the little bumpers on the corners, and it's got a little spot right here for, it looks like a lanyard. It's got some little writing on there. Yeah, just bumper corner protection. And compared to the stock, the case that comes free, you know, this is good enough, man. This was only like $2 or whatever I paid for it, so I'm not worried about it too much. I just I was planning on getting something completely different, but this works. And here it is. Touch sensitivity with the tempered glass obviously is good. Yeah, I'm still running my favorite. Right now, this is my favorite icon pack, and I'll link it down below if you want to grab it. I really like this icon pack, man. I bought this, I don't know, a few days ago, a week ago, I don't know how long it's been, and I've been using it on every Android phone. I really like it, man. So this is the Mi 8 with my new tempered glass and another clear case with corner protection for drops. Yeah, so it's going down. It's going down. That little effect on the glass, it's not bad. This isn't this isn't the best tempered glass, but it's something to have on my phone. And if I find something else, I'll buy that too, and then I'll show it to you guys. But if you are looking for these, I'll leave these down in the description so you can purchase. And I'll look for the icon pack link in the description as well. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Look at that reflection from that LED.